Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your service and inspection light on this VW Passat. This is a 2024 model, so what we need to do is got keyless entry. We're going to turn ignition on, as you can see from here, and then we're going to press this button here to bring up the icons, and we're going to go to want distance or range. As you can see, that one there. We're going to press and hold this button here for like 10 seconds. Then we're going to release it. And as you can see, our icon has now come up. So we're going to scroll through what we want to reset. So we want oil service reset. Press OK. Press it again. As you can see, that one's been reset. Now we're going to move to inspection. To reset inspection, so you just press the OK button there once, press it again, and as you can see, service and inspection is now reset. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.